Hey everyone. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to log in to your hosting or mail account in 2025. It's super simple, but there are a couple spots people usually get stuck on, so let's make it smooth. First, open your browser and head to Hostinger's email login page. You can type the direct mail link or just go to the main Hostinger site and look for the email access option. Now go ahead and type in the full email address you created inside Hostinger. Make sure it's the exact domain. Yeah, a small typo can stop the login instantly. Next, enter your password. If you don't remember it, don't worry. Hostinger has a reset option right under the field, so you can recover it anytime. Once both fields are set, click the login button. It'll take a second while it checks your credentials. After you're in, you should land right on the inbox dashboard. From here, you can read messages, send new ones, or hop into the settings menu to adjust things like signatures or forwarding. If you'd rather log in from hPanel, you can do that too. Just sign into your Hostinger account, click Emails on the left, choose your domain, and hit Manage. You'll see a button to open your mailbox without typing the password again. And if you're on your phone, the process is basically the same. Just open the same mail link in your mobile browser or add the account to your phone's mail app using your email and password. And that's it. You're logged in and ready to use your Hostinger mail. Hope this helped. And yeah, feel free to bookmark the login page so you don't have to hunt for it next time. Hey everyone.